Good morning, everybody. Welcome to your Watanabeshow. My name is Princess Krasta. Today we have Priyanka and Kora with us. Without any ado, let me quickly take you to today's stock market highlights. As we know that Nasdaq is down by 1.33%. S&P is down by 0.88%. That's down by 16% from April till June till date. Dow is down by 253 points. Overall, if we see that Indian markets also yesterday, Nifty was flat. Overall, if you just see in the Indian ADRs, they are also negative. Stocks to watch for today, we have Bharti Airtel. Your CIIs has approved investment of 5,200 crores by Google International. These are the rest of the stocks that you can watch for the day. Jeffries have commented on cement sector. They expect that the cement sector will remain soft during monsoon. Nomura on Maruti Suzuki, they have given a target price of around 8,600. Pledge shares, we have insider trades. We have one of our holdings, Neel Kamal Industries, wherein promoters, they have bought shares again. Manappuram Finance is again in the news by they have bought around 48 lakhs worth of shares. Block deal happening. Today, Motilal Oswal is going ex-dividend. Then we have, there's nothing much happening in the retail sector. Overall, if we just see in the FNOQs, we see that FIIs have sold around 1,138 crores and DIIs bought around 1,378. FIIs, they have gone long in derivatives by around 10,000 crores, and there is total selling
long
of
actually.
9,000.
That is their net long. If you add all of them, it will come 9. So
okay.
They put it long.
Okay. Positions for the
Yesterday there was a PC report which the Fed watches for the inflation cause. So the number is come a little good. The initial reaction was bad. Stock market S&P reacted and recovered quite a bit.
Okay. So, okay.
Yeah, I mean, yeah, that's they missed somebody covering that news. So.
Okay.
Let's go to the order placement.
Order placement, yeah. So these are our positions.
How much funds we have?
Sorry?
How much funds we have?
Funds we have around 18,000.
Okay, go to the dash, portfolio.
Portfolio.
Try to cover 15,800 PE.
15,800 PE, yes.
At 10%. And that would be 216 minus 21. So about 198.
198?
Yeah.
198. Should I buy?
Yeah.
Okay.
And 15.7 CE around 180. My expectation here is gap is going to fill sometime.
180. Sell.
And the 15,700 CE.
CE.
CE, call. That's the one. Yes. Where
okay.
Book loss.
Okay. Market?
Yeah.
Okay.
Square off, it should allow.
Sorry, square off?
Again, go to 15,700 CE.
Yes. Square off.
At market.
At market. Okay.
Why is it tripping? Just go to the orders. Cancel one.
Orders.
Cancel one.
First one.
Yeah. Now square off.
Okay. portfolio 17,700 CE. We are going to square it off at market. Sell.
And 15,700 PE also you have to square off.
PE. Okay.
So,
And at what trade market?
at where is the close yesterday?
Okay. Okay. How do we identify
169 average price.
that? Okay.
So at 10% of that would be around 145.
145. 145. Buy.
And now what you do is you sell a 15,800 call.
15,800 call.
You have to add into the.
Okay. Okay. 15,800. 800 CE. CE, right?
CE.
The first
The
one.
first one? Okay.
Sell that.
First one only.
First one only. Sell. Okay.
At market.
At market. Okay.
Try 15.9.
15.9. Okay.
CE.
The first one.
Sell that.
Sell that at market. Correct?
Yes.
Okay.
It's not allowing, so we can't. Maybe 16,000.
PE 16,000.
Yeah.
16,000.
The first one.
The first one.
No.
One.
CE.
CE.
Call.
Okay. CE. First one. We are going to sell.
Yeah.
Market.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right. I think margin is struck for the put buys. So check the funds. How much we have?
Yes.
9,000 because we put both the buy orders.
Mhm.
So the money is blocked. That's the reason we are not able to sell. Check the portfolio. ETFs.
ETFs. Here we are.
Nothing is down big. And stocks.
Stocks.
Go to our holdings.
Holdings. Yes.
Sort by percentage change.
Percentage change. Yeah.
Yeah, 3-4 stocks are up.
Yes. Every day yesterday you tweeted about it.
Princey, can you refresh it, because I've added all the stocks into a watch list. I don't know why it's not showing for you.
No, she has to add again there.
Oh, in her. Okay.
Yeah, she has to add. Okay, let's see. I mean, I'm hoping the gap will fill because of the month-end flows, the retail SIPs or whatever. And also the market is closed, US market, because of independence. So in thin session, people might lift the S&P, which might affect the morale of index as well. There is a RBI report, which is called Financial Stability Report. Just go there to the RBI.
On the website or directly on the page?
Yeah, on the website. Just see how it navigate. It will be in the releases. Yeah. So this Financial Stability Report. Yes. It's a half-yearly report by RBI. It gives the assessment of the risks in macro financial and about 5 parameters is what they look. So if you open the first one, this is where the entire commentary from RBI, the observations.
Okay.
So most of the time, the first section would be around the US macroeconomics charts. If you come down,
Okay.
these are all the US numbers.
Okay.
Right. So you can read. It's a good document. Basically, looking at various macro factors, what the economists look at it.
Okay.
Down to 1.48. You are at a chart of
1.48.
So come down 1.48.
1.48 equity market valuation indicators.
Yeah, so that particular chart, BSE Sensex 12-month trailing PE. That's a silly mistake. That's not the way to draw average charts.
Okay.
What the error that it contains is something called point in time.
Point in time.
Or drawing or when you are calculating average at June 2010, you don't know the PE values of June 2011 and 12 and 13 and 14 onwards. So that's a gross mistake. I don't know who drawn this chart. This is like a LKG level statistic mistake. You should only consider up to June 10th. What was the average? So line won't be straight like that. It will be something.
Okay.
Then the T chart is also important. So this is the real earnings yield minus, I don't know which bond they have taken, 10-year yield or 30-year yield. So your PE ratio, right? That is price to earnings. If you flip that, you will get earnings.
Okay.
Yield, E by P. E by P minus the 10-year bond. That's what your equities gap. Either you can invest in 10-year bond or you can invest in stock market and you will get the earnings yield.
Okay.
That generally, if it turns negative, equities are undervalued than the bond. Right. So I think it's expected to go low in either this quarter or next quarter. And there is an interesting number down. So those two are very important charts. So the first chart, it's drawn wrong, especially the average line, the red line.
Yes.
Still, it gives you a picture like an average PE of 20. We are below that. So equities are now attractive value. And even that PE or whatever is that ratio. So basically, that's earnings yield minus 10-year. And then come down.
Okay.
And then that another one, that whatever Tobin Q or the right-hand chart.
Right-hand chart.
The equity to GDP. Go up.
Okay.
Yeah, so the equity to GDP, that's above 1.12. People think it's expensive, but I didn't see any evidence of that. Even if it's above 1, it rallied quite a few times. Then come down.
Okay.
The chart number 1.50.
Yeah.
That's retail is shunning away from the markets. So Jan 2020 onwards, the number of retail investors were about 35, right? 35 lakhs.
Yes.
They went all the way to 1 crore.
1 crore.
And then dipped.
Dipped.
That's when we started the show.
Mm-hmm.
In March. So there was a considerable dip, right?
Yes.
This year. So retail are shunning away from the markets.
Mm-hmm.
Let's see where the market is.
All right.
Come to the alpha.
Alpha. Yes.
It is stuck there only. So
Positions?
actually, go to the orders and cancel those PE.
Cancel both the P's? Okay.
And you sell that 16,000 CE now, 15,900 or 16,000 CE.
16,000 CE. You want
Go to the first one, second one where you added.
Okay. Yeah.
Sell that 16,000 CE now.
Yes. Okay.
Should allow now at market.
Market. Okay.
Yeah, now cover that 15,800 PE at 198.
Yeah, this one?
Yeah, square of
at
198.
198. Okay.
And 15.7 put.
15.7 put.
At 145.
145. Okay.
Now check the funds.
Sure.
They're negative, but we are actually positive. So we are trying to buy both of them, right? So 50 into 198 and 50 into 145. That's about 16,000. So we are actually net negative by net positive by 12,000. So that's nothing to worry. But yeah, we are still short about 8,000. Let's see in the evening. We'll fix it.
Okay.
All right. See you in the evening, right?
All right. Thank you, everyone.
Thanks. Have a nice day.
Have a nice day.